everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a red gem wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So as I'm making this wreath and putting it together, I have a little wine set that I had DIY'd in a previous video, and I will probably be linking that video below. I call this a wine set when I was done, and I thought this would be perfect for New Year's, Christmas, and even Valentine's Day. So we're going to be adding a bonus wreath to this set, and I'm very excited about it. So let's jump into it. So these small wreath forms, I'm not exactly sure of the size, but they come 2 in a pack. And then I grabbed 1 package of the red gems. And so what we're doing is putting a little hot glue on the contact points of the first row, and then we're doing the same thing on the second row. So I'll be doing this twice. So here you see me flip the wreath over, and I am using the Beacon 527 glue. I purchased that at Walmart. What I'm doing is just hitting the little contact points with the permanent adhesive so that we don't have any fallout with the gems. Now remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area. You also want to allow 24 to 48 hours for that glue to cure. So let's move on to the next part of this craft. So now what I'm doing is I am using the bling wrap that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to fill in the areas where I see a little gap through the wreath form because of the gems. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm going to do that for the middle, and then I'm going to do that on the edge of the wreath. So now this is what the wreath looks like after doing the 2 layers. So see, I did the center, and that covers any kind of gaps there, and then I did the edge. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a hanger using the same bling wrap, and then we are going to add the bow. This is going to look absolutely gorgeous.
quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.